Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms on the market, powering businesses worldwide. While many Shopify stores are small and just starting out, others have grown to become major players in their respective industries, generating millions of dollars in revenue each year. Here are 5 highly successful and well-known Shopify stores that are sure to inspire you on your e-commerce journey. Gymshark, a popular fitness apparel brand known for its stylish and functional activewear. Gymshark was founded in 2012 by Ben Francis. The brand gained rapid popularity on social media, particularly among fitness influencers. Gymshark is one of the fastest growing fitness brands in the world, and Shopify has played a pivotal role in its success. The brand leveraged Shopify's user-friendly interface and robust features to create an online store that effectively showcased its products, allowed for seamless customer browsing and purchasing, and provided a positive checkout experience. Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova is known for its quick turnaround in bringing the latest fashion trends to market, capitalizing on the demand for new styles as soon as they emerge. The brand gained a significant following through social media platforms like Instagram, where influencers and celebrities often promote their products. Fashion Nova's use of Shopify has been integral to its business model. The brand has utilized Shopify's platform to create and maintain its official online store, where customers can browse and purchase products. The platform has allowed Fashion Nova to manage product listings, handle transactions, track inventory, and provide a smooth shopping experience for its many customers. Kylie Cosmetics. Kylie Cosmetics is a makeup brand founded by Kylie Jenner, the youngest of the Kardashian-Jenner siblings. The brand gained immense popularity for its range of cosmetics products, including lip kits, eyeshadows, and other highly sought-after items. Since its inception in 2014, the brand has expanded to offer skincare and baby products as well. Shopify's user-friendly interface and flexibility allowed Kylie Cosmetics to create a visually appealing and easy-to-navigate online shopping experience for its customers. Pair that with Kylie's social media influence, and it was bound to be a match made in marketing heaven. Skims. Skims is a clothing brand that was founded by Kim Kardashian in 2019. The brand is known for its focus on shapewear, loungewear, and undergarments that are designed to provide comfort, support, and a seamless look under clothing. Like her younger sister Kylie, Kim K's business uses Shopify to create and manage online orders. Skims offers a wide range of sizes to cater to all body types. Because of this, the Skims Shopify site is equipped to handle a large catalog and features a user-friendly filtering and sorting functionality. Steve Madden. Steve Madden is a well-known fashion brand that specializes in footwear, accessories, and apparel. It was founded by designer Steve Madden in 1990 and has since gained popularity for its trendy and affordable products. Through the use of Shopify, the Steve Madden brand has been able to drive sales and enhance its digital presence in a competitive fashion industry. The platform provides a user-friendly interface for both customers and administrators alike, making it easier to manage the online shopping experience, handle orders, and update product listings. These stores have found monumental success by offering high-quality products, building strong brands, and leveraging the power of Shopify. They also use effective marketing strategies and are constantly innovating to stay ahead of the competition. It's important to note that these are just a few examples of successful Shopify stores, and there are many more out there. With the right strategy, just about anyone can build a successful e-commerce business using Shopify. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to the eStoreKings YouTube channel and check out our email newsletter for free resources, e-commerce tips, and much more.